Welcome to Math Zara.
The question reads, point P is the center of the circle in the figure above. What is the value of x? Now, if point P is the center, it means then that PB and PC are both radii. So they are equal in length. And x is where the center of the circle is. Now, the circle theorem says the angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle on the circumference, which means the angle at P is x, the angle at A should be 1/2 of x. Now, in order for us to find what x is, we could use the angle where x over 2 is by forming a triangle. So let's go ahead and form a triangle ABC. What we'll need is a line that connects B to C. Now there's our line. Let's change it to another color so it's apart from the diagram. Now, in order for us to find the value of x, we need to know that A plus B plus C is 180 degrees, which makes the total sum of the angles in a triangle, ABC, which means we need to find what angle B and what angle C are. Now, a part of angle B is 20 degrees. Similarly, a part of angle C is 20 degrees. We need to find what this angle is. Now, these two base angles, PBC and PCB, are the same, which means angle B plus angle C plus the x, where P is, should be 180 degrees because they also form a triangle. But if you notice, angle B and C are actually the same. So let's call them Y. So this could be angle Y and angle Y, which makes BY plus X equals 180 degrees. Let's simplify this equation. 2y plus x equals 180 degrees. And let's solve this for y. So 2y would be 180 minus x, and y would be 180 minus x divided by 2. Now we know what y is. Now the entire angle ABC would be 20 plus y. Would be 20 plus y. And we know that y is 180 minus x divided by 2. And same thing for c, which would be 180 minus x divided by 2 plus the 20, which was y. Let's substitute all these values that we've gotten, or all these expressions, in this equation at the top. We know that A, which would be x over 2, plus B, which would be 20 plus 180 minus x divided by 2, plus C, which is the same, 20 plus 180 minus x divided by 2, and this all should be equal to 180 degrees. We need to solve this equation. But if you notice, 180 minus x over 2 and 180 minus x over 2 gives us a whole 180 minus x. So I could write x over 2, 180 minus x, and then 20 plus 20, that's just 40. And that's 180 degrees. Now, we have a 180 that's equal that's on both sides. We could cancel those out. So we're left with x over 2 plus, well, we have a minus x as well, plus 40, and that's equal to 0. Now, to get rid of this fraction, we could multiply the entire equation by 2. So that would be x minus 2x, 40 times 2, that's 80, and that's equal to 100. We're solving this for x, so negative x equals negative 80, and x would be 80 degrees. Let's take a look at the entire question. So if x is 80 degrees, a would be 40 degrees, and we could see that this is actually correct.